The TRX Face Pull is a bodyweight exercise that strengthens the rotator cuff muscles as well as the upper back and rear deltoids on the back of the shoulders. To get started, while facing the TRX anchor point, hold the TRX handles with an overhand grip. Lean back with your arms fully extended while contracting your core and glutes to maintain a straight line with your body. Positioning your feet closer to the TRX anchor will place your body at a greater angle, thus making the move more difficult. To make it easier, position your feet further away from the TRX anchor, thus making your body more upright. While keeping your hands at face level, pull your body up towards the handles by bending and flaring your elbows out as you externally rotate your shoulders to create a close to 90-degree angle with your elbows. Contract your upper back muscles as you pull yourself towards the handles. At the end of the movement, your hands should be close to in alignment with your eyes. Pause at the top as you retract and squeeze your shoulder blades together. Under control, slowly extend your arms to lower your body back down to the starting position while ensuring your body remains in a straight line. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.